So XRP is known to have these massive consolidation then breakouts. You guys can see right here that XRP had a crazy consolidation back in the days, a yearly long consolidation before essentially exploding. And now you guys can see it's again consolidating. And the big question is XRP about to go to $13? Are we about to see a 500% pump in the coming weeks, if not the coming months? You guys can see right here that XRP currently traded at $2.57. Now, the interesting thing about this, while the whole market right now is actually tanking, XRP surprisingly is pumping like crazy. Now, I don't really want to say tanking because it's not tanking, but you guys can see Bitcoin and Ethereum are pretty much taking a nice little pullback. And guess what's happening with XRP? It's absolutely pumping. Now, if we have a look right here at Ethereum and we have a look right here on the daily time frame, you guys can see that Ethereum for the second consecutive daily candle, it currently is down 5% and we are currently in red. Video, the giant whale makes a $6 million bet on XRP. What does this whale know that the rest of the people don't know, right? Obviously, this is pretty bullish. I mean, this whale clearly knows something, whether that's news, tariffs, future data. It doesn't matter what it is, but something big is about to happen. I mean, a giant whale, unless it's multiple institutions, doesn't just make a $6 million bet on XRP. So that's very interesting, number one. Number two, currently up 10%, market cap $150 billion, 24-hour traded volume is currently sitting at $8.7 billion. So we had a look at this monthly time frame, but what I really want to look at, guys, is this weekly candle. Okay, so not only do we have this beautiful consolidation right here, you guys can see now, not only is this a falling wedge on the weekly time frame, okay, we also have a bull flag. Now, usually when we have these bull flags, we usually end up exploding to the top side, obviously, and the target is usually the bottom of the pole to the top. Okay, so if I take the bottom to the top right here, you guys can see it's already said and done. And you extend that to the breakout, which is actually right here. It's not right here. This is assuming the breakout would be right here. You guys can see that we do have a price target of $16. Now, we know price targets aren't usually 100% accurate. They usually come down a little bit before. Hence why I do say that XRP will come back down or will go to $13, $14, maybe 13.5, something like that. You could expect a massive pump on XRP despite the whole market crash that is currently happening right now. Now, having a look right here at the daily time frame, we know, guys, every time we essentially break out of these levels right here, on the resistance, we usually have a retest, right? So we broke out of this daily trend line right here, this long daily trend line since the January 17, 2025. Obviously, it's pretty much since Trump took office. We were in a downward trend, and what happened? We broke out, came back down, and we had that beautiful retest. Not only do we have the retest on the VPVR, which is the volume profile right here. This is given, by the way. This red line pretty much tells you the amount of volume that's mostly been traded at, not really the money per time frame. It just tells you during this time frame how average or what amount of money was essentially, what was mostly traded at what price. And you guys can see right here, you can clearly see that $2.40. That's where the most money was traded at. That's where most of the whales make their monies or made their moves. And pretty much you can see right here, stop loss, take profit, doesn't matter. But usually when we do have these big moves around this level right here, we either have a massive pump right here or a massive dump. But you guys can see big moves around this level right here. So not only did we break above that, you guys can see the MACD is looking pretty darn bullish right here, flipping green. It just wasn't good, but we're still in an uptrend if you think about it. Okay, since since the 2nd of April, I mean, everything was bleeding, but XRP is still in a very nice uptrend. So things are looking pretty good. You guys can see beautiful chart right here on the weekly time frame as well, up 10%. So XRP right now is up 10%. That we do have a level to watch right here. So it's very possible that we do come back down and retest this level, but as of right now, I don't see it happening. It looks like we are maybe gonna attempt to break this level right here. We do have a short order block right here. If we do get rejected, that would be a good short opportunity all the way to 2.47 before taking another long and entering. What I'm targeting for my trades is probably 2.46. You guys can see right here, this level were rejected, this level were rejected. So obviously big zone to pretty much watch right here for XRP on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so that's my video for today. That's my update. This is a very quick video, very quick update. XRP is literally making moves right now. Crypto's making moves. Obviously tariffs are down, so things are looking pretty good. And of course, guys, this giant whale made this $6 million bet. So how can you be bearish on XRP unless this guy gets liquidated or loses 30% of his net worth? Anyways, that is my video, guys. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.